Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link text in Wix. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in Wix and log into wix.com using your user credentials. After you log in, you'll be on this page. On this page, click on select and edit site button. After you click on that button, you'll be navigated to Wix website editor where you can edit your website. Now in order to link your text in Wix, you'll have to just select the text that you want to link. You will see some options at the bottom of that text. So from these options, click on this link option that you see. Now you will see a pop-up that will say what do you want to link to. From this, you can choose whether you want to link that text to a page. Now if you want to do it to a page, click on which page and choose which page on your website will be linked to that text. Now if you want your visitors to be redirected to a web address when they click on that text, choose web address and paste the web address, that is the URL of that website here, and your text will be linked to that web address. You can choose how is it going to open, in a new window or in the current window. Now choose section and anchor and you'll be able to link your text to a section or anchor on your website. You can choose whether you want to link your text to the top or bottom of the page. You can choose to link your text to a document, click on choose file and choose a file from your PC's directory. By clicking on the upload media button, clicking on upload from computer and choosing the document, then choosing the document from this section and clicking on add to page. Now, if you want to link your text to an email, select email, add the email address here, choose the email subject and you would have successfully linked your text on Wix. You can also link your text to a phone number or a light box. So simply select the way you want to link your text and click on done. Now, as you can see, this text is a link. When someone is going to click on this text, they'll be promoted to wherever you would have chosen to link this text. So that's how you link text on Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.